How's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and I have a really beautiful knife here from the Trivisa line. This is the Leominor-03g. I guess that's for green. They do have a -03b, and that's with a black handle but also a black blade, and I believe a titanium coating. But this is a very nice sized knife. It's 8.07 inches overall, 3.54 inches of a blade, and handle is 4.52. Blade width is 0.078 inches. Thickness is 0.11 inches. Handle thickness 0.059 inches. And you got a weight of 4.58 ounces. When I initially seen this, thanks to my buddy Jay from the Knife Beater channel, who I highly recommend that you go check out, he had this as one of his lineups for one of his last videos, and I was like, wow, man, another great find by Jay. Way to go. So when I initially saw it, and like he stated on there, it initially made me think of the Swordfish by Best Tech, which I love. But the Best Tech Swordfish is a considerably big knife. And yeah, there you go. That's a lot for maybe some. I like it, with the 4-inch blade, but it's 3.54 is a little more forgiving, I guess, for certain hands and certain preferences. This here, the blade also reminded me of this Artisan Classic, which I like, and yeah, very similar type of stiletto knife. This is a beautiful knife. Here's a close-up of it, and yeah. Not much milling in there, but honestly, that's okay. That's a forgivable weight, because it really feels nice and solid, really. And it's very form-fitting in the hand because it's nicely contoured. There are no hot spots. It's got this nice G10 backspacer. Steel liners are exposed, and it's a classy knife. But it is also a really good user, too. It feels incredible in the hand because it's just so, it really just, I have an extra large size glove, and this really just does it. But what really pops out nicely also is this stainless steel bolster on both sides. I do notice that they don't have their brand marking on this pivot like they do on the links, but that's all right. And actually, I like that. It's very classy knife. It's a great user, extremely smooth, and yeah, it's got those ceramic ball bearing action, and it really thwacks right out. So I dig it. The flipper tab is just a little small for my taste, but they do provide a nice sharp jimping there, and yeah, it really comes out nice. So I guess it's just a matter of getting used to it. I'm already starting to do that very easily from just flipping it around. But it's a beauty. It's a really nice G10 that's on there. You do have the lanyard hole if that's your thing. And yeah, it's a really nice looking knife. And very comfortable in the pocket too with that slim profile. So that's it. Keeping it short and sweet like I try to do. I do hope that you like these videos, and if you do, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Subscribe too if you like, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care, and hope to see you soon. Bye.